Our project name is Smart Window System. It basically comes with two major functions: control of the window and control of the shades. For the first function, if it rains outside, the window will close automatically to prevent the room from getting wet. The second function deals with the shades control. Our system will control or adjust the shades angle to maintain a certain comfortable amount of light into the room.
Hello, my contribution to the project is work on the customer interface. Basically, it's a switch for users to select manual and auto mode. Right now, I'm learning how to program an application that we can select the modes on the computer. I will add the customer interface to our project when it's almost finished.
My contributions to the project are to obtain a better multi-level photoresistor and a better water level sensor. The multi-level photoresistor will measure the difference in light intensity, while the water sensor will measure the presence of water. The two sensors will have to work in conjunction with the motors that will make the entire project work properly.
Contribution to our project is to figure out the circuits to control the mechanical part, include the speed control of the motor and the switch of the routines between the clockwise and the counterclockwise. And I also trying to use some gears or other mechanical arms to help our functions.
My contribution to the project is to develop and improve the microcontroller's program. At this point of time, we are trying to make the operation of the project more stable and efficient through programming. In addition to that, we are upgrading the power circuit to handle bigger motors and loads.
My contribution to the project was building and testing the power supply. Right now, we have a transformer which can transfer 110 AC voltage to DC voltage up to 18 volts. And I'm also building a battery pack for emergency situations.
This would be the circuitry that we're going to use for our project. This would be the water sensor that will activate this motor. The photoresistor will activate this motor. And this would be the power supply that we're gonna use for our project. This will allow us to control the motors in forward and reverse direction, and it goes from 0 to 18 volts. What I want to do is to connect the circuitry with this chuck of this drill and replace it with the rod. Depending on the amount of light, this will activate the mechanism and it will activate the shades to work like so.